Well, it's that time of the year again when your content creation dreams come into sharp focus. Black Friday. 2024 isn't just another sale. It's your ticket to upgrading your gear without breaking the bank. From cutting-edge mirrorless cameras like Sony and Nikon to pocket-friendly action cameras or drones, we've got something for every kind of camera fan. Without further ado, let's dive in. The Sony A1 is a powerful mirrorless camera that combines exceptional image quality with high-speed performance. At its core is a 50.1 megapixel full-frame sensor paired with dual Bionz XR processors, enabling it to capture detailed images at remarkable speeds of up to 30 frames per second. The camera can store up to 155 compressed RAW files or 165 JPEG images in a single burst when using the electronic shutter. The Sony A1's video capabilities are equally impressive, offering 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, both with professional-grade 10-bit color depth. It supports multiple professional video formats including S-Cinetone and S-Log3, making it compatible with Sony's cinema camera lineup. Design-wise, the Sony A1 closely resembles the Sony A9 II, featuring convenient autofocus and drive mode dials on the left side of the top plate for quick access to essential settings. The camera maintains familiar ergonomics for existing Sony users and uses the standard NPF-Z100 battery, making it a seamless addition to current Sony equipment. This camera is particularly suited for Sony users who need high-resolution photography combined with advanced video capabilities, especially those requiring 8K recording options. Currently, you can get the Sony A1 for $5,500 only, a whopping $1,000 discount. Up next, the Nikon Z7 II builds upon its predecessor with notable improvements while maintaining the same high-resolution 45.7 megapixel full-frame BSI sensor. The key upgrade is the addition of dual processors, enhancing overall performance. The camera retains the excellent ergonomic design that has made Nikon's Z-series cameras popular among photographers. For video recording, the Z7 II offers 4K 60p capabilities, though with some quality compromises due to line skipping. While this affects detail, it allows for wider-angle video shooting without significant crop. The camera performs better in APS-C, Super 35DX mode, utilizing a 5.5K sensor region, though it still trails behind competitors like the Sony A7 IV in terms of video quality. Significant improvements include the addition of a second card slot and compatibility with a vertical control grip. The autofocus system has also been enhanced, making it more appealing to professional photographers. The camera produces RAW files comparable to some medium format systems in terms of clarity, color, and dynamic range, but at a more accessible price point. The Z7 II proves to be a versatile workhorse, particularly suited for commercial, editorial, and landscape photography, effectively addressing the limitations of the original model. On this Black Friday with $1,000 off, you can get this for just only $1,997. Now, Insta360 Ace Pro stands out in the action camera market as the first to offer 8K video recording, a feature still unique among its competitors like GoPro and DJI. Its most distinctive design element is a flip-up selfie screen, providing better visibility compared to the fixed front screens found on the GoPro Hero 12 Black and DJI Osmo Action 4. The camera features a premium 16mm ultra-wide-angle f2.6 lens, developed in collaboration with Leica, enhancing its imaging capabilities. While the camera boasts 8K 24p video recording capability, surpassing the Hero 12 Black's 5.3K and Osmo Action 4's 4K resolution, this feature may not offer significant practical advantages for most users. Where the Ace Pro truly shines is in its 4K video performance, particularly in action-packed scenes. The camera delivers excellent footage at 4K/60p, matching the quality of its competitors. The flip-up screen is especially beneficial for vloggers, offering better visibility for self-recording compared to the smaller front screens of rival cameras. Now available at its lowest price point of $300 only, the Ace Pro presents a compelling option for action camera enthusiasts seeking high-quality video capabilities. The Canon EOS R100 is an entry-level mirrorless camera featuring a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor and dual-pixel autofocus system. Its DSLR-style design and electronic viewfinder make it particularly effective for shooting in bright conditions. While the LCD screen lacks touch sensitivity and doesn't articulate, the camera's primary appeal lies in being Canon's most affordable RF mount mirrorless option, especially when bundled with two lenses: the RFS 18 to 45 mm and RFS 55 to 210 mm. Despite using an older sensor design shared with previous EOS M series cameras, the image quality remains competitive. However, the camera's video capabilities have significant limitations. The 4K/24p recording applies a 1.5x crop, making wide-angle shots challenging and effectively reducing the sensor size, which impacts low-light performance. Adding digital image stabilization further crops the frame by 1.1 times. The two-lens bundle at $499 for this Black Friday offers good value for beginners seeking basic photography coverage. To be fair, the camera falls short of its intended goal to attract smartphone users, being too basic for experienced photographers while lacking the user-friendly features that smartphone users expect. This positions it awkwardly between target audiences, but nonetheless, for such a price for the bundle, it's a steal. Last but not least, the DJI Mini 4K represents outstanding value in the entry-level drone market, improving upon its predecessor, the Mini 2 SE, by upgrading video quality from 2.7K to 4K. This enhancement also enables a 2x digital zoom feature for capturing closer shots without physically moving the drone. The device maintains the essential features that made the Mini series popular, including a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage, level 5 wind resistance, and impressive 31-minute flight times. The drone's user-friendly operation is enhanced by DJI's Fly app, which offers various automated flight movements perfect for beginners. In testing, the Mini 4K demonstrates reliable performance with adequate radio range and stable hovering capabilities thanks to its GPS positioning system. The automatic return-to-home feature proves accurate, typically landing within 3 feet of the takeoff point. While the Mini 4K isn't revolutionary, it delivers the key features budget-conscious beginners need in a trusted package, making it arguably the most capable entry-level 4K drone available. For those new to drone flying, you can get the Fly More combo package on this Black Friday, which offers additional value at $379, including 2 extra batteries and a charging hub. So, this was all about our top 5 picks for this Black Friday. 2024 deals you must check out. Which one are you interested to buy this Friday? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.